Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows could not automatically detect this network's proxy settings. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Internet Options, click Connections tab, click LAN Settings. Uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN, click OK, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically and also check Obtain DNS server address automatically. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Internet Options, click Advanced tab. Click Reset, click Reset. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Internet Connections. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.